Hey everybody, welcome back to Games and Grills. Chris here, and today is the Great YouTube Poutine Challenge of 2018. Canada versus the US for ultimate poutine supremacy. Okay, maybe the stakes aren't that high, but still going to be a fun challenge. We're going to have a great time. There are, I believe, 6 YouTube channels on Team Canada, 6 YouTube channels on Team USA, and I don't know who's going to be the winner, but I think we're going to have a great time putting these videos together for everybody. I'm going to have the rest of the video links down in the description box below, so hit show more and you can see everyone else's poutine, and I imagine they are going to be very, very different from one another. So stick around, let's see how things go. Okay, we have the pork belly all cubed up now. So you can see here, this piece especially has got a lot of fat in it, so it'll render down really nice. Next, we'll get the rub thrown on. And the rub we're using today is W BBQ, their everything rub. This should go really well with the pork belly. You want to make sure that you get a good coating of rub all over every side of these cubes, so the flavor of this rub can really shine through. Alright, then we're going to let these cubes sit and we'll get the pit ready to go and throw these puppies on.
It's the day that Chris has been waiting for. It is the Poutine Challenge Day. He's getting the smoker ready to smork the pork belly. And today is downright balmy at minus 11 degrees Celsius, which puts that at, I don't even know what that is in Fahrenheit, but minus 11 Celsius, which, like I said, is nice compared to the minus 30 Celsius we've been having lately. So there you can see Chris bundled up as much as he can to make sure that that smork belly gets nice and smorked.
Okay, we have the smoker up to temp, so what we're going to do now is put the pork belly on, off to the side there, because I'm going to have to set a few pieces right on the racks. That little rack was not big enough. Get the lid on quick before we lose too much heat. Alright, so we've got the smoker dialed in at about 270, 275, and we're going to let it run at that for about 3 hours on smoke. We've got some cherry wood in there, so it is going to hopefully add some really good smoke flavor to these pork belly burgers. Okay, these things have been on for just over 3 hours, and I had some tough times keeping the temperatures where I wanted to because of how cold and how windy it is out here. Like I showed you earlier, it's not a pretty day. So without any further ado, let's get our first look at these things. Oh, wow, don't those look awesome? Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna get these into a foil pan. We're gonna take them inside and I'll show you the next step. You are really gonna like that. All right, so the next step is going to make these even more tender than they already are. Because you can just pick one up and just give it a squeeze, and look at that. Fantastic. What we're gonna do is hit it with a little brown sugar, kind of counteract the sweetness of, or the saltiness of the rub. Then butter. This is what is going to do the most work and make these tender little bits of awesomeness. Now you might think my butter looks kind of funny, and that's because it was frozen. I thought we had some butter already out, but there wasn't. So I used a cheese shredder, and that did a pretty good job of getting this butter nice and good. There we go. And then the next step is to add some honey. So we'll throw in some honey, then we'll get this back out on the smoker, cover it up, let it go for about another hour and a half. Okay, we are doing our fries in the Actifry. Just cubed up some potatoes, and we have some bacon fat in there from breakfast this morning. We use that as our oil, and we tossed on some French fry seasoning. Pretty much exactly how we had potatoes last night. It was awesome, so we're going to do it again.
It's nearing 4:30, and the smoked pork belly is just about ready to come off. The fries are complete, ready to be pulled out of the fryer. The green onions are being chopped, and the weather has turned miserable. It is snowy and blowy and just disgusting out. The smoker seems to be doing okay. There's still some heat coming off it, so I hope those smoked pork and butts, I don't know, something, are doing good. And I am going to help Christopher cut some onions before he mangles them beyond recognition.
Okay, so we have pulled off the pork belly burnt ends, and Tracy is going to do the honors.
That was kind of it. Yes.
Oh yeah, I put 2 layers of foil on. Look at that. Oh, that smells amazing. Okay, we are ready to assemble the poutine. As you can see, we've got the potatoes here done in the Actifry. They are nice and crispy. And cheese. I know traditionally it's supposed to be cheese curds, but cheese curds didn't seem to fit with my idea of a poutine for this challenge. So I just shredded up some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm just going to throw some of that on top of the potatoes. Like thus. And then we're going to add burnt ends. There, that looks good. That will stay put. And then gravy that we made from the drippings. Can't have too much gravy on poutine.
That looks like a heart attack in a bowl.
It absolutely does. And then we're going to throw on some green onion just for
Color.
color.
That's the word you're looking
That's
for.
the word I'm looking for. There, that looks pretty nice, doesn't it?
My head's in the way.
Your head's in the way.
There you go.
There we go.
Ooh.
Okay. I'm going to get in here and got a little bit of everything in that. This is going to be super hot.
Yep.
It's going to be awesome though.
And this will be the last video you ever see of Chris because he has died of a heart attack. No, he has died and gone to Flavortown. You've died and gone.
Oh my goodness.
He's still alive.
Wow. That was so good. You want to give it a try?
No.
No?
I'm okay.
We'll try it later. Oh, wow. That poutine was awesome. I don't know what else to say. Thanks for watching. If you liked the whole process of making the poutine, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and share with your friends as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.